Okay, we're back with some parts. So we found the original backing plate. Found a gasket for a big twin. I don't have the screws, but that's the length I think we need. So do a mock-up with it. And what else were we looking for? Oh, washers. And I got this jammed in there pretty tight. I'm going to work on that a little bit here also. Alright, you're in charge of that. You need to give me a pair of pliers. Come on, Stevie, look out. That's great. So we might as well butcher this first here with the nail. So this hole does not go straight through here, so it binds up everything. That way you can hold it open while you do this. Can't think of any reason not to permanently apply this right now. So we're using a stainless steel cotter key, so it makes it nice and hard to install. Yeah, looks good right there. Okay, as long as it's right there, we're good. It's getting worn in though. So it's going to have to wear itself in on the tight spot. That's our tight spot. Probably right where the cable works all the time though. Oh, I forgot to get a gasket for that. Yeah, we got that. There's our tight spot. Need to make an adjustment. Hold that for me right there. Has to be flat. You want it flat? Okay, this goes out this side of the bike. Throttle cable goes forward. So if you want this way to get to it on this side, that's the hardest way of doing it. Okay. That's about equal either way. It's going to wear itself in pretty quickly, but...
Ah, shut up. What's up, buddy? Huh?
Scooby don't like him.
Huh? You mad at me because I sat outside for a while, huh?
That's right.
Well, where you been?
Hi, Scoob.
Buddha head, boy. You just mad because I sat outside, didn't come in. You saw me out there, too. What's up, Buddha head?
You're guilty.
Hmm? Hmm?
Okay, I think that's going to break in, but... If you go up your carburetor, see?
Huh.
I think it'll be alright.
Yeah?
It's a little binding, but it'll, like I said, it won't take too many miles to free that up a little bit.
Carb.
Yeah, it's not an Indian carburetor.
We ain't talking to you about Indians, sir. Oh, you got a little bowl cut here. Trying to look decent for the Halloween? Yeah. Look.
What? Ooh, you got your lenses in.
Yeah.
Okay, so real bikes don't have these damn seals on them. Okay, you got a pair of seals. No, my scissors are still missing. Somebody borrowed them and then put them back again. You didn't do that, did you?
Not me.
Wouldn't you?
I wouldn't do that.
See, they're never around when I need them, so I just have to do it the old-fashioned way. Cut a little bit thin there, you notice that?
Fit better that way.
It's amazing why my knife's always dull. I don't know why. Let me sharpen it. Oh yeah, a lot better.
I'm not talking to you, man. I'm not talking.
You didn't like that?
It's not an Indian carburetor.
No, Indians have 341 across the top.
Yeah, it's still a funny looking carburetor though.
Yeah, but it could be an Indian. Different throttle, different choke lever though. It doesn't fit. Which one do you want to use?
I don't care.
Which one doesn't leak?
Which one doesn't leak?
This one hasn't been squashed as much.
Okay.
Fix that problem. Squash the piss out of it now.
Gonna get squashed now.
I didn't put that on yet either.
Excuse me.
There's no seal on this either. You know why?
Mm-mm.
There's no gas up there.
Okay.
Hey, don't go picking on Scooby now.
If there is gas, there's a problem, right?
Oh, buddy.
Why would there be any gas? A Harley does not vibrate.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Shouldn't be upside down.
Should be good. I'm just going to guess it's going to go there. Where's your wrench? Got one for that?
Mm-mm.
Me either. Okay, I got one now.
Must be one of you guys' special spots, man. All dogs are like that. Some in the center of his damn head, he just goes nuts. I see you haven't gotten to that rear wheel yet, so.
No, I was gone
Oh, that's why you weren't supposed to even be here today, right?
yesterday.
That's why nobody answered the phone.
I didn't listen to my messages yet. Did you leave one?
I didn't leave you one. I just don't leave you a message, man.
Then I'm not going to call you back if you don't leave a message. Pretty simple. Okay, I'm going to make sure that nothing warped when we did that. You see, that did get harder to move now. See the drag now?
Oh, well, I'm going to take off again.
Warped it. That's enough to cause a problem.
I'll be here for sure Monday. By then, hopefully, we'll get to the wheel.
I'll be here.
I know that. Don't mean you're going to get to the wheel.
You know me.
Yeah, I'm trying not to, but I can't help that part. Because you're persistent. Or just say consistent. I'm sorry, you're consistent.
Consistently slow.
Yeah. Well, man, I can't believe the Santa Ana's finally wearing off.
Gonna hit again tomorrow.
Hope
Yeah.
not.
Well, they say.
Oh, too loose. Hip hip pop up and all that good stuff. See you later, Scoob. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. So I'm talking to you leaving.
Alright, see you later.
Okie dokie. Oh, I also got the helmet too.
We don't care about helmets.
I know that. But I do care about that rear wheel.
Yeah, it definitely is. You got to figure out which way you're supposed to hit on to make it work. I pushed down, I didn't make any difference, so I'll push it the other way. One of these ways is going to make it work better or worse. Which one do you want it to be?
Better is probably better.
You like better than worse?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. I wonder if that's not the throttle disc. I bet you that's the spring we did in there, because I haven't checked it out to put that spring in there, did I? That's probably what that is. I'm gonna quit beating on it. Didn't make any difference anyway. Still the same drag. So your cable's gonna have to overcome all of these drags. Yeah, I bet you that's the spring we put in there, because the spring is in there. Forgot about that. That was last week.
Mm-hmm.
No, we didn't show putting a needle in here, but we put it in there a turn and a half, I think. I forget. Maybe it was a turn and a quarter. How far to go?
Yeah, you be back to about a turn and a quarter.
Turn and a quarter? One of those two. Something like that. Okay, where is our original backing plate? Look at that, clears everything. Look at that.
It's supposed to, isn't it?
Nice and close. Yeah, but that doesn't mean it does.
Oh,
It's supposed to do a lot of things.
that one clears. I don't know if
Yeah.
mine clears.
Do you think this is going to fit?
Yeah.
No,
No.
it's going to hit right here. See?
So what do? We shave this?
Gonna shave it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Don't want to mess with the original backing
I
plate.
can beat the tar out of this.
Yeah, there we go. No, let's not do that.
I can make that flatter.
Mine's all painted.
You're James Slot, aren't you? I mean, this style, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have to make it fit. If you put it on like that, it'll fit.
I don't think it's going to do a lot of good.
Defeats the
but-
purpose of having it, but yeah, it'll work. Okay, so we're going to have to go in here and trim this down a little bit to fit on here. So I can do that on the milling machine if you want.
Whatever works.
So I can take it back and grind the piss out of it for a while.
That will probably work too.
Not as good though. Tears up my disc. Where's our screw at? So we still don't know about our length. Still doesn't go in the hole. I think we're going to be alright our length because we're going to be pretty far up on it. Stick out
Should be
that
fine,
much.
yeah. Should still go all the way through.
Well, yeah, we're going to have.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yep.
I'm on top of the shoulder and we're about flush, so. So if we want to put a lock washer here, we're going to have to cut these holes out bigger. Then I can run a flat screw in there also.
I would just,
Or we get the filler straight like we're supposed to. And just Loctite it.
yeah, get the right screws and Loctite it.
Can't use the factory lock tab because it won't work. Now, these will make really, really thin screw lock washers, but nobody shows that for a number 12. Makes it hard to come by. Okay, so we're going to go trim this away a little bit, make this fit. Another V-twin bolt on. It will be here in the way. Alright. The bias isn't up here where it belongs. It's always in the wrong spot. Got chips on the floor too. Oh, it's stuck to my foot.
Mm.
I let that bother me, didn't I? Scooby, you're blocking the road again. Scooby likes blocking the road. Scooby's waiting. Eyeball it. Up there. Got 2 screws?
2 screws. No, I don't.
You don't. You didn't bring any with you? I need 2 screws. We use those as a stop. And how far it drops down.
Keep it square to the mill.
Yeah. Fancy, isn't it? It also makes it equal so I can flip it around and do it the same on both sides.
No.
Except for one problem.
It's gonna hit the screw.
Well, it's on the screw. Just want making sure I was hitting on it. Okay, need something to use. I got chip on the floor down there again. Trying to get me. Someone's trying to get me. Yeah, it'll work. A little bit thinner, it's hard to do. Use this one. The chips are in the way again. Look at all those chips on the floor. Okay, we're a little short.
It's been my problem forever.
Had that problem before? Yeah, that's close enough. Look out. Oops, I hit something. I don't know.
I have no idea.
No, you zero it. birds on the backside. Look at that. Not quite enough.
Perfectly almost.
Yep, that's it. The hole's almost going, but not quite. Missed it by that much.
Yeah.
Quite a bit, actually. That's like another 50. Somebody stole my screws. The problem is doing it this way, these screws are not very consistent usually, so we probably have an error of about 30 thou.
I don't know that it's going to make that much difference.
It might. Some people are more picky than others, though.
Is that the right side?
The left side. Light path. A little bit heavier than thought. That's 50 thou one pass. Don't put your fingers there until it stops.
Yeah, it'll fit now.
Maybe. It's lighter, go faster. Nope.
Oh, there's a curve on the bottom edge, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Of the sheet metal.
Yep. So take an edge off of this. We can do that. Okay, do that with a cutter. That's how you do it. Not this one.